Hi, my name is David, and I'm going to walk you through how I solved the CSWP practice problem 11.10. So for this problem, we're given a starting model, and the only things we really have to do here are create a circular pattern of the helical swept cut. So there's one of these cuts that's made in a sort of twisting helical fashion, and we just have to make 15 copies of it that are equally spaced around the circle. And then we have to add the hole that's in front, but there's also one in the back as well because it says 2 times countersink, so there's actually a hole in the back as well. And that's it. The rest of these specifications are already handled by the starting model. Now there is a challenge which I'm not going to get into in this video, which is to create it from scratch. But the nice thing is the model that they provide you shows you step by step, at least in terms of the feature tree, how to create this model. So that's kind of cool. All right, so let's get into it. We'll go over here, go into isometric view, and select the cut sweep. Go to circular pattern, and we'll just rotate this around a circle 15 times. Click the green check, and there we go. It's pretty cool. Looks neat. Okay, then on this face, we're going to go into the hole wizard. And CSK would stand for countersink, so that's this option here. Then we'll, for our standard, select ANSI metric. Then the type flat head screw, that's coming from right here where it says FHMS, flat head machine screw. For some reason they don't put the machine word in here. That's okay. And so then here M3.5 for the fit, we'll select just normal, and then the end condition through all because it does say both ends through. Okay, so for the position, we'll go ahead and click on the origin, which is where the center of this circle is, and that's it. So let's make another hole on the other side. I'll click on this face, go to hole wizard. Everything's preloaded, so we just go into positions, and right in the center, I'll hit the right mouse button for the green checkbox. And that's pretty much it. So let's check our volume. Our volume is 3870.9. And if we look at the answer key's volume, it's 3870.9 cubic millimeters. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. Take care and keep studying.